I haven't covered techno phones in the past year on Z4E Tech, but the Phantom 9 piqued my curiosity, and that's because it's got quite a few unique things going for it. And before we see what they are, let's first get it out of its box. So first, Techno claims to be offering an extra month of warranty and a one-time screen replacement. At this segment, that's unique. Anyway, let's slice through that plastic and open up this box. The packaging looks nice, we have a rainbow hue, reminds me of the Mi 9 SC's box, which again, kinda unique and quite nicely done I'd say. We have a SIM ejector tool, some regular booklets, once again indicating that extra month of warranty, and there's a textured soft case, good quality. Next up, we have the Phantom 9 itself. Removing that plastic, the back, we have a pattern with that gradient. This is plastic of course, but looks attractive. Let's remove that protective plastic to the front and turn the phone on. Putting it in that case, it fits snug. Let's set it aside for the moment and dig into that box. We then have a 10-watt charger, a micro USB cable, sadly no Type-C. Then there are a pair of EarPods style earphones. So that's it for the box contents. Now before we take a closer look at the Techno Phantom 9, if you've been liking what you've been seeing so far, please do consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Hey guys, Ash here, you've been watching Z4E Tech. Now the Techno Phantom 9 surprised me from a build quality perspective. If not for the branding, I'd not be able to tell this apart from any of the competition. Techno's done a very good job. The phone's quite sleek, it's under 8mm thick, and given the plastic, it's also very light at under 165 grams. So in hand, it's easy to wield. The case, weightless as it is, with its texture adds to the grip. If I sound a little too impressed, it's because I went in with very little expectations here. Turn the phone around and the reasons to be impressed continue. The bezels are a little thick, yes, but this here is a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel, which by itself is rare for this segment. It has a peak brightness of 600 nits, so outdoors under sunlight it's easily visible. And as AMOLED panels go, the colors are quite punchy and viewing angles are excellent. So underneath this AMOLED panel, there is also an in-display fingerprint scanner, so which is again pretty unique for this price segment, and this in-display fingerprint scanner, it seemed pretty fast and responsive. I didn't have any issues with it in the time that I spent with it. There is a small notch up top, and the unique aspect of things here is that Techno's managed to hide not one but two front-facing flashes up top. That's quite sweet. This notch also houses a 32-megapixel f2 camera, and these selfies that you're seeing, they were shot with this camera. It's got a fairly wide 80-degree field of view, and under low light it can pixel bin. So it can combine 4 pixels into one if needed to let more light in, not that you'd need it with the two flashes. Now on to yet another unique aspect of this phone. To the back, as you saw, we've got 3 cameras and a quad LED flash. The first one is a 16-megapixel f1.85 primary. It shoots good images, well saturated, nice colors, good detail. The second one is an 8-megapixel f2.4 wide angle. Lets you capture more in the frame as wide angles do. And the third one, as with most budget triple camera setups, is a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Now from a software perspective, Techno is offering Google Lens support in the app, video capture is capped at 1080p, and there is supposed to be an AI night algorithm that helps with low light photography. Since we've touched upon software, the Phantom 9 runs on Android 9 Pie with HiOS 5.0 built on top of it. The name notwithstanding, I mean it seems to be a decent custom skin. It is Techno's own custom skin and it's far from stock, yes, but comes with an app drawer, familiar quick toggles, not a lot of changes to the settings menu, but if you want, there is a theme engine built in. You can switch between regular keys, total gestures, and Android Pie's default navigation options. And the best part is the entire experience felt smooth, and that's despite the Phantom 9 not packing very powerful internals. This one's powered by a Helio P35 chip. That is an octa-core 2.3 GHz, but there is 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage. And Techno is also offering a triple slot with support for dual VoLTE. There is a reasonably large 3500 mAh battery backing all this up. So overall, the Phantom 9, it's got a nice display, good cameras for the segment, a snappy interface with lots of storage, along with room for expansion, all at under 15,000 rupees. Now that's what Techno has to offer. Now the one question I do have is how well will that P35 hold up? That's something I need to test since I've not come across this chip on any other phone yet, so I'm not familiar with it. Initial impressions do seem promising as the interface does seem fast enough, but again I will have to spend more time with it and will have more to say if I do end up reviewing this one. So should I review the Phantom 9? Would you guys be interested in watching a full review of this one? Let me know in the comments below, and you guys let me know what you think about the Tecno Phantom 9. Do you like it? Do you feel this is good value? Are you surprised by how good this phone is? Or do you feel Tecno should have done more? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this quick little unboxing and hands-on. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.